Well, it's Wednesday, December 3rd, and during the night last night, we got about 4 inches of snow. Might have gotten a little bit more than that, but it's at least it's snow. And so I got out on the skidoo today and had a little fun packing some trail that goes out to our firewood stand. And we'll try to get some trail out the back groomed at some point in time. Well, welcome back to the channel, everybody, on this December the 5th, very frigid December the 5th. Currently it's 34 degrees below zero, and Michelle and I are outside trying to finish up on some brush pile work that needs to be done regardless of what the temperature is. And we're just cleaning things up. This makes I mean, she's been at it. And on top of that, she's using a bow saw. Well, welcome into my little workstation here. I was hoping the light would be a little better than what it actually is, because I wanted to start showing you some of the things that I'm going to be doing electrically here to try to improve things. That's one of the main things about being remote off-grid is electrical. And if you get it right the first time, boy, Heidi, I tell you what, it saves a lot of headache down the road. Okay, this is some really bad lighting, and but I'll do the best that I possibly can to explain. This is the old system. Now, I had purchased a new controller, and I'll do a review on that because that thing was pretty much worthless due to the fact that it itself used a massive amount of electric just plugged in. So anyway, I'll get to that eventually in one of these videos. But right now, we have a 1200 watt Duracell power bank and 300 watt Echo Flows that are currently being used, none of which are tied into solar, due to the fact that we right now have no solar. So I'm having to use the generator, and the generator is on the fritz, and it only runs about 10 minutes, and then it just dies, and you can't even try to start it again for a couple of 3 hours, and it'll run a few minutes and then die. So I have checked everything that Honda has said to check, and still can't find the problem. So anyway, but this is the old system. Well, it's Saturday. I believe it's December 6th. After temperatures reaching into, I think the coldest was 39 degrees below zero Fahrenheit. And then the blizzard winds moved in last night. They were so strong at one point it actually ripped the back panel of our gray Shelter Logic storage tent right off. But we have 55 degree below zero wind chill right now, and we're still trying to get some small projects done outdoors.
And that wind will cut right through you.
Well, as I said, the winds have been really strong this time. And of course, lots of solar panel damage. I came out, I reinforced all of these, thinking that they wouldn't go anywhere. But this wind has been unreal. Well, it's Sunday, December 7th, and the storm died down somewhat around 5 a.m. this morning. We were up, or I was up, most of the night monitoring things because but a lot of damage done. I mean, it ripped the end panel off of our shelter logic here, so everything got tossed around. And the one thing we were not prepared for, that I thought we were, was solar panel damage. And we have about 6 panels that were ripped off of their mounting spot and tossed out into the snow. Well, welcome to Monday, December the 8th. It was like 20 below zero, and I think it's somewhere in the neighborhood of 15 below, and I'm going to try to get Lucy started here. And we're going out on the back trail and try to do some trail grooming. Okay, Lucy, fire up for me. Well, I've kind of made a dent on things. I'm about 2/3 of the way to the meadow. Lucy is not really good at plowing through snowdrifts. And our little blizzard that we had left us some pretty deep snow in spots. So let's see if I can make it the rest of the way before Michelle gets here. Well, thanks everybody for watching. Finally got Lucy back to the cabin. Michelle is getting firewood in, and she's cooking dinner at the moment. So if you would like this video, share it, leave us a comment, above all, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you next time right here on Alaska Bush Living.